We are out here at the new Foxtail Coffee Shop where they're finishing up the exterior of this building. They've used our Warm Teak Vesta along with a black standing seam siding. So we got to talk to the project manager on this site, and he got to walk us through some of the design choices that they made on this building, like the canopy I'm standing under, the bump out, which you'll see later, and how Vesta really makes those pop. So let's take a look at this porch ceiling here. They did a great job with the solid Vesta on top of here. They have a ventilation panel on the high and the low end to get proper ventilation throughout the canopy. And then they accent it with a painted cedar that's all black. Along with the post, they use the natural cedar up the side. It gives a really nice contrast in this building. I wanted to point out this little bump out that they built on this building. It's designed for functionality to keep water away from customers. They put on our true vent, hidden vent underneath it to get all the proper ventilation without seeing any of the holes. So they took a functional bump out to the building and made it a really cool accent. So this is the main view from the road, what you see behind me. It gives it a really warm, welcoming feeling, not just because it's warm teak color, but for a coffee shop, this is exactly what you're going after. It has fantastic contrast with the black standing seam on the side. You get the large windows in front, and it just gives a really nice touch to a beautiful building. I've lived in this area for years, and the upgrades that they made to this building not only gives it a modern feel, but it also gives it this really warm, inviting character that you get because of the cedar and the natural wood grain tones of the Vesta. And now the owners can be confident that this material on the outside of this building is gonna last a lifetime.